Picture this, 35 million views in a week. Or 6 million. Or, hold up, over 300 million. There's this Roblox niche that's straight up printing cash right now. And it's legit the easiest faceless setup I've seen all year. No face reveal, no crazy editing, and you don't need a dime to start. These channels, they're just tossing up Roblox gameplay, adding an AI voice, and ranting about trending topics or stuff we all relate to. That's it. And it's blowing up. I've been grinding faceless YouTube channels for years, testing every trick in the book, some total flops, some bangers. But these Roblox Rant videos, they're on another level. Channels that popped up just months ago are pulling hundreds of millions of views with these quick, addictive rants. Why? They hook you fast. Short setup, big payoff, and people can't stop watching. It's like those old Reddit story vids with Subway Surfers gameplay, same energy. YouTube's algorithm loves anything that keeps eyes glued, and these 60-second rants are crack for watch time. Oh, and it's not just shorts. Long-form rants are hitting hard too. You can yap about whatever's trending, and the algo pushes it like crazy. The Roblox gameplay? Just background vibes. Think Slap Tower or some chill parkour obby. But don't sleep on it. Good gameplay still matters for those viral hooks. I'm breaking down the exact playbook these channels use to churn out viral short, pulling 5 figures or way more. Let's do this. Step 1. Get your gameplay. Roblox is free, so this is a breeze. Option 1. Record your own. Hop into Roblox. Play something like Slap Tower or a fun obby, and capture it with OBS. It's free and works everywhere. Option 2. Grab clips online if you're lazy, but real talk, original footage wins. Ask your little sibling or cousin to play while you record. For this, I snagged some quick clips, but fresh is best. Step 2. Pick a banger topic. Viral rants hit because they're either trending or super relatable. Don't scroll for hours guessing. I made ChatGPT prompts that do the heavy lifting. Links in the description, grab them free. Open ChatGPT, paste the ideation prompt, and it'll spit out a list of ideas that match the Roblox Rant vibe. Pick one you vibe with, then plug it into the scripting prompt. For example, I'm using "when you turn the light off and run." Paste it, hit enter, and ChatGPT writes a punchy 60-second rant in that conversational tone everyone's copying. No stress. No writer's block. This is how these channels crank out daily vids without losing it. Step 3. Make it talk. Turn your script into a pro AI voice with 11 Labs. It's the best for sounding human. Free version's fine for shorts. Go to text-to-speech, pick Adam, the go-to voice for this niche. Paste your script and hit generate. I use CapCut, free, fast, perfect for shorts. Start a new project, toss in your gameplay and voiceover, and sync him up. Cut any dead air in the audio to keep it tight. Pro move, speed up the gameplay a bit for that viral flow, and crank the voiceover to 1.3x speed. Keep pitch adjustment on. It gives that high-energy vibe every big rant has. Step 5. Add the sauce. Background music sets the mood. Most viral shorts use the same trending tracks. Check the audio I'm using in CapCut's library or hunt similar ones on YouTube/TikTok. Drop it under the voiceover at -10 dB so it vibes without stealing focus. Captions? Non-negotiable for keeping viewers hooked. CapCut's auto captions sync perfectly. Keep it simple. Search cat meme or chocolate meme for whatever fits your rant. For effects, grab the Vine boom sound, Google it, download the MP3, and sync it with your memes. Export time. 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for long form. Name it, hit export, done. Drop a comment. What's your first rant gonna be? Smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell. Let's grow this thing together. Catch you in the next one.